Hello everyone. Now we are going to see some examples of group theory and उसके बाद लैटिस डायग्राम कैसे ड्रॉ करते उसके बारे में देखेंगे। तो ये मैंने पहला क्वेश्चन लिख लिया है, तो चलो देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन, इफ n इज इक्वल्स टू 2k n greater than or equals to 4, show that z is equals to r raised to k is an element of order 2 which commutes with all elements of D2a। तो इसका हमें सॉल्यूशन निकालना है, तो देखते हैं। सॉल्यूशन, r raised to n is equals to 1, then z is equals to r raised to k not equals to 1 in bracket, since 0 less than or less than k less than n bracket complete, then z square is equals to z की वैल्यू r के लिए तो r raised to k square is equals to r square k is equals to r raised to n, then z square is equals to 1। r raised to n की वैल्यू हमने यहाँ 1 ली, तो यहाँ पे 1, then mod of z is equals to 2, let x belongs to D2n is equals to in curly bracket 1 r such that r raised to n minus 1 comma s sr for is such that sr raised to n। Consider zx is equals to r raised to k in bracket s r raised to I, 0 less than or equals to I less than or equals to n minus 1 is equals to r in bracket r raised to k into s into r raised to I is equals to s into r raised s into r raised to minus k into r raised to I is equals to s r raised to k into r raised to I is equals to s r raised to k plus I is equals to s into r raised to I plus k। ये zx की वैल्यू हो गई। उसके बाद हमको xz निकालना है। xz क्या है? x r raised to I into r raised to k। zx is equals to s into r raised to I into rk, then xz is equals to zx, therefore zx is equals to xz। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम हम देखते हैं। तो ये प्रॉब्लम का हमने सॉल्यूशन फाइंड किया। अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। तो ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन हमने लिख लिया है। लेट G बी अ ग्रुप, लेट Z ऑफ G is equals to similar that the set of all elements in G which commutes with every element of G, then prove that Z of G is a subgroup of G when G is abelian, then Z of G is equals to G। तो इसका हम प्रूफ देखते हैं। as 1 dot G is equals to G dot 1 is equals to G for all G belongs to G, implies that 1 belongs to Z of G. Here 1 is equals to identity. Implies that Z of G not equals to 5. Take any two elements in G, H1 K belongs H and K belongs to Z of G, then H G is equals to GH. ये कम्यूटेटिव है, हमने यहाँ पे दिया है G belongs to G. KG is equals to GK for all G belongs to G, implies that G to K raised to minus 1 is equals to K raised to minus 1 into G for all G belongs to G, implies that K inverse belongs to Z of G, then in bracket HK into G is equals to H into KG, H in bracket GK पे रीजन क्या आएगा, K belongs to Z of G, in bracket GH into K, यहाँ पे एसोसिएटिविटी is equals to GH into K, H belongs to Z of G, उसके बाद G in bracket HK, फिर से एसोसिएटिविटी, implies that H1 K belongs to Z of G, as G was arbitrary implies that HK into G is equals to G in bracket HK for all G belongs to G, implies that HK belongs to Z of G, implies that Z of G is a subgroup of G. तो ये हमने प्रॉब्लम पूरा सॉल्व किया है. तो अब हम देखते हैं डायहेड्रल